Alright guys, so this is my little project I got going on. I'm currently, you could say 6-wheel drive in a truck, but so far it's adding a tag axle. So far, turn the music here off. Turn that off and this off. Perfect. So 2006 F-250, 6-foot box. And from here on back, I added another section of frame off a truck. I went to the junkyard. I got them to cut me off a truck right behind the cab. And I trimmed it down to where it made sense for it to easily butt up against the other frame. And I added a sleeve in it. The sleeve has been welded by a Red Seal welder. And then all the appropriate fastening gear, grade 8 bolts, have been put. Yeah. So that there is the most custom part of this whole build, really. It's just what holds the front leaf springs going to the rear axle. And what I did is I shrunk it as much as I could so I could put a fifth wheel setup off a transport truck. So I'm just going to bolt down a semi fifth wheel plate to this bed. So the pin of a fifth wheel trailer usually is right above the axle. Well, I'm going to be able to slide it back 2 inches and forward 2 feet, which is going to bring me to pretty well in the middle of them both axles. So far, it's approximately a 10.5-foot flatbed. And some people may say this is not going to be drivable around town. You can't steer that around a parking lot. The pivot point in the middle of these two axles is probably going to make this truck drive just like a crew cab 8-foot box, because that's approximately where the axle would be anyway. So, anyway, I'm only starting these videos probably past the halfway mark of this whole build. I'd say I probably have approximately, maybe 150 hours in this whole build. But anyway. So I have all the matching rims. The other side, I just need to go swap the tires out. The truck just got back from a fresh paint job. And what started this whole build is that I bought another pickup truck for our fleet, and it had no bed on it. So I said, oh, well, I'll take my bed off of my truck. I'll put it on that one. That way there I can build myself a brand new bed. And then I figured, well, why build a brand new 6-foot bed? And then later on in life, I'll need to cut it and extend it and molest it. So I said, might as well just, I always wanted to do this. So I figured, now's the time. So this is my project that I've been working on this winter. So I took a couple little time lapses and stuff like that of torching and plasmaing and welding stuff. But I'll try to post some every now and then and keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching.